Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create certificate in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Word application on my computer. And if we want to create certificate, we don't need to create it manually guys. We can use certificate template from the Microsoft Word. You can just go to the more templates, and here you can search for the certificate template. Just type in certificate like this, and there will be some templates you can use. Here are the templates, and you can choose the template that you like. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one, formal award certificate. Okay, and here you just need to customize the certificate according to your need. You can change the name right here. For example, I'm just going to type in Merly like this, and then you can enter the project name. I'm just going to type in English competition, and here you can add signature and also the company logo. And actually you can customize the color of the certificate right here. If you don't like the color, you can change the color, and you can customize it as you like guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to create certificate using Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.